Hi, welcome to Inspire UI. Let's continue with the series of videos showing you how to create your own mobile app using FluxBuilder app builder. Many clients need the Judge Me Review plugin for Shopify apps, and now it is available, besides multi-currencies, shopping videos, and more rich features. Now we introduce the way to configure Judge Me Review for Shopify apps by using FluxBuilder, a no-code app builder easily and quickly. Sign in to FluxBuilder. If you do not have an account, sign up for free with your email. Select the app you created, or select any of the apps in the Featured Apps section below. Click on a product. Now we will configure to display the review section here. Turn on the Enable Review item. You can set up all displays for the product detail page here. Follow this guide to install Judge Me plugin into your website and configure Judge Me. Now let's view how the review displays on products. That's all. Let's subscribe to this channel and press the bell icon to get new videos for free. Thank you.